So hey guys, what's going on? Shiny from my profile. So today we're gonna do a very different type of video. So we're gonna do a tutorial. So today we are gonna be talking about how to transfer your iCloud photos directly to Google Photos. So first of all, let's talk about why you should be doing this. So first of all, if you don't know, iCloud gives only 5 GB of free storage compared to Google, which gives you 16 GB of free storage, and almost everyone has a Gmail account. So it is really cool. It is really great to take advantage of that free 16 GB of storage. I made the 5 GB free so that you can use it for some other things like storing backups of your iPhone contacts and all that, which is actually, according to me, much more important considering that you have Google Photos. So today we're going to talk about how to do that. So first of all, you need to go to privacy.apple.com. The link will also be in the description. So I'm just going to log in. I'm going to use my Touch ID, but you need to put the password in, the account and the password. So it's going to sign me in. And so once we're in the data and privacy tab, it's going to load. So I'm just going to transfer a copy of the data. So press over here. So I'm just going to be transferring a copy of my data. And now as you can see, transfer a copy of your photos or videos. So what you're going to do is, as you can see, it says I have this much of it shows 1,800 photos and 22 videos, but says it's approximately 4 GB. So I'm just gonna go. So I'm just on my phone. I'm just gonna go to Google Photos. So you need to actually find out how much of data you have on your Google Photos, how much storage you have. So for example, I do use Google Photos, so I better find out how much storage I do have. So I checked my Google Photos and it says I have like approximately 7 GB left. So I won't be showing you that, but you just have to go to Google Photos or Google Photos and just find out how much storage you have. So I have 7 GB. So I'm just going to select on Google Photos, select my photos and videos because I have to choose, and then I would go to continue. And then once I go to continue, I have your Google account must have at least 4 GB available. I just press continue, and I just select my account, and I will just allow and allow. So it's going to take some time, and once it's done, I think there should be some kind of done message, and your Google okay, so it's just giving me a warning. So I do have a lot of storage. I just want to confirm the transfers. So I think this is going to take quite some time. So it says that it's going to be done. They're trying to copy it, and once they're done, you can just check your Google Photos and it should be done. And I think you can do your other things while this transfers. So you just leave in the background or just leave the website and it should be done. So it does say 3 to 7 days. So yeah, it might take some time, but it's going to happen in the background. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.